The Reuters news agency reported on Saturday that the U.S. military he believes that the unarmed aircraft of the U.S. African Command RPA reported losing in Tripoli, Libya, on November 21. In fact, they were shot down by Russian air defenses and were demanding the return of the plane's destruction. U.S. Army General Stephen Townsend, who leads the African Command, said he believed the air defense operators at that time didn't know it was a U.S. plane piloted remotely when they fired at him. But they certainly know who it belongs to now and refuse to return it. They say they don't know where it is, but I'm not buying it, Townsend told Reuters in a statement, without giving further details. The U.S. evaluation which has not been previously revealed, concludes that Russian private military contractors or the so-called Libyan National Army of Haftar were operating the air defenses at the time it was reported that the drone was lost on November 21, he said. Africa's Air Force spokesman Colonel Christopher Carnes. Earlier, the United States African Command noted that RPA operations are carried out in Libya to assess the ongoing security situation and monitor violent extremist activity. These operations are critical to counteract terrorist activity in Libya and are fully coordinated with the appropriate government officials.